Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add cards to YouTube videos. So for this, all you need to do is sign into your YouTube account and then go into your YouTube studio and then go to the video that you want to add a card to. I'll just go with this one, and then you want to click on details. So go into the video details where you normally change the title or description or the thumbnail or tags, and then right there you'll actually find cards. Okay, so end screens, on playlists, and then right there you'll find cards. You want to click on that. Now once you do that, they will send you over to the page where you can actually add the cards to your video. So all you need to do for that is then select a timestamp on here. You can see that I've already added one card, and then pause it and then pretty much click on add card right there. You can then choose to add a video or playlist. You can promote another channel, or you can link an approved website. So if you just want to add a video, click on create and then choose the video. So you can select one of your most recent videos or paste the URL right there. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. You can then also customize the text that appears next to that video in the card, and then click on create card. And there you go. That's how you can add a card to a YouTube video. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.